Hey guys, what is up? Today is Sunday, December 5th, and I didn't vlog yesterday. My husband was in town and he doesn't really like to be on camera, and he's out of town a lot for work, so I didn't want to be distracted like with recording things, so I just kind of took that day off. So I wanted to show you a recipe that I learned pretty soon after I got married. It's a very easy fish taco recipe, and I just kind of like created it. I just like whipped it up one day. So yeah, I'm gonna show you. So first thing that you need is fish. You can use salmon if you want. I always use this tortilla crusted tilapia, and I get this at Costco. It is so delicious. And then you're gonna need a salad kit, and I get the Sesame Sweet Asian salad kit, and I just whipped some up. It comes with the dressing, and it comes with the wontons and some almonds, and it's so delicious. You can just eat it like this, but I like to top my tacos off with this. You're also going to need some cheese, whichever you like, some shredded cheese. I like to use the mozzarella. And then you're gonna need some corn tortillas, and these are the ones that I use. I don't think I've ever tried them with flour, but you're pretty much gonna fry them up because you gotta make the taco shells for it. So here I have some oil heating up, and it looks like it's ready to go. Let me just lower the temp a little bit so I can make my shells. And then in the oven I have the fish in there, so has 10 minutes left. So here I have a plate with some towels over it so it can collect the grease from the shells. Perfect, they are turning out. Love it. Yeah, typically just make 3 because that's for myself. I get full off of 3. So while the shells are still hot, this is the time when you want to put the cheese inside so that it melts. You want to push it down into the bottom of the shell. As much cheese or as little cheese as you want. Fish is now done. It's nice and sizzling. So what I'm gonna do is just start shredding it apart, and I'm just gonna like grab this and put it into my taco. Also gonna further help the cheese to melt with the heat of the fish. And now for the last part, top it off with that Asian salad. generous as you want with everything. Don't be stingy. And here you have some delicious, easy fish tacos. What's a recipe video without a taste test? Cheers. Peace out. Let me know if you try them.